Hey guys, I don't know what this sound is, but it sounds like bombings. Big, huge bombings, you guys. Or something. Don't know what this sound is. Somewhere like around there, you guys. I seen like loud flashes of light, you guys. But I don't know what it is. And I don't know if you guys can hear this sound. It sounds bigger and louder than a regular firework, you guys. And I can hear this echo, you guys, in my backyard here. As I was watching Wicked, I heard loud noises, you guys. I can hear all this echo here. But it sounds like World War III, guys, or something like that.